Would you love to learn how to find the area of shaded portions? Then stay tuned because that's exactly what I'm going to be teaching you. Do endeavor to stick to the end of the video because I'm going to be showing you a second method to do so, and I'm going to be making it super easy for you to understand. Without wasting your time, let's get into the classroom. Finding the area of a shaded region, there's one thing you should note. This shape is made up of three parts, okay? We have the shaded region, which is the T shape, and we have the unshaded region. If you take a look at this part, this is the unshaded region, okay? This is the unshaded region, and this is also the unshaded region. So how do we go about finding the area of the shaded region? There are two ways we can do it. Let's start with the first method. The first method, we simply say the unshaded region plus shaded region is equals to the whole region, okay, the entire region. So let's write whole region. So when you have this understanding, it becomes very easy. First of all, what we do, we are going to look for the area of the unshaded regions and equally find the area of the whole region. The whole region refers to the shape, okay? Again, what we are going to do, we are going to name this, okay, to make our work simpler. So let's say, let the unshaded region be A, and let the shaded region be B, and let the whole region be C, okay? So that we'll be using these terms as we go on. Now, if you take a look at the unshaded region, we have two columns, okay? So we have this and we have this. So we can further name this. Let's say here is E and here is F, so that we can say unshaded region A is equals to E plus F, okay? What that means is that when we sum up E and F, we are going to get the unshaded region. So let's go ahead in trying to find the unshaded region. Finding the area of E, you're going to notice something. This E is a regular shape, right? It's a rectangle. So if we know here is 4 centimeters, we were not given here, right? So what do? We find this place. And how do we go about finding here? Now let's take a look at this shape. If you look at F, you're going to notice this is 8 centimeters. And remember, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. If this is 8 centimeters, this is going to be 8 centimeters too. And if this is 8 centimeters, here is equally going to be what? 8 centimeters. So we have 8 centimeters. So the area of E is equals to 8 centimeters times 4 centimeters. That's going to give us 8 times 4 gives us 32. Centimeter times centimeter gives us centimeter square. So we've succeeded in solving for E. How about F? Now, if you take a look at F, you can see that it's exactly the same thing with E. It's the same shape and it has the same figure. So we don't necessarily need to resolve it again. So we know that the value of F is equals to 8 centimeters times 4 centimeters, which is still 32 centimeters. So now we've gotten E and F. Remember, E and F, summing them up makes up the unshaded region. So our unshaded region will now be 32 centimeters square plus 32 centimeters square is going to give us A equals to 64 centimeters square. So we've succeeded in finding the area of the unshaded part. Now that we found the area of the unshaded part, remember what we want to achieve is find the area of the shaded part. The next thing we are going to do, before we do that, let's solve for the whole region. Now, what is the area of the whole region? The whole region is this, okay? The entire shape. That's the whole region. So for us to find the area of the whole region, we need to know this length and this one too, okay? What is it? If you take a look at this one, we have 2 here and we have 8 here. So for us to know the entire length of this very shape, we simply say 2 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. It gives us 10 centimeter. What that means is this: from here to here is 10 centimeter. So that's what we are going to be working with. Then how about this area? How about this place? Okay, how do we find it? Now, what we are going to do, we are going to sum up 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. Say 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. It gives you 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter plus 4 centimeter gives you 10 centimeter. So we are going to have 10 centimeters. So this from here to here, the entire length is 10 centimeter. And we know that if this place is 10 centimeter, here is equally going to be 10 centimeter. So let's find the area. Therefore, area of whole region will be equals to 10 centimeter. Remember the entire length here times this 10 centimeter. Okay, when we do that, we're going to have 100 centimeters square. Now we've gotten this, we can go straight to finding the shaded region. Remember, area of shaded, which is A, plus B, which is area of unshaded, is equals to C, which is the whole region. Remember, we quoted this earlier. So the next thing we are going to do, what is the value of our A? The value of A is 64 centimeters square. So we write 64 centimeters square plus B is what we are looking for, is the unknown. So we write B equals to area of our whole region is 100 centimeters square. 100 centimeters square. So the next thing we are going to do, we collect like terms. We are going to have B is equals to 100 centimeters square. Now, when this 64 crosses over to the right hand side, remember the transpose method, we are going to say minus 64 centimeters square. So 100 centimeter minus 64 centimeters is going to give you B equals to 36 centimeters square. You can see, guys, it's absolutely easy. Let's take a look at the second method of solving this same question. Okay, so in the second method, what we are going to do in the second method, we are simply going to bring out the shaded portion, okay? We are going to bring it out and solve for it, all right? That's the T shape. We have 10 centimeter here and 2 centimeter here, okay? So what we are going to do, we are going to divide this T shape into regular shapes, okay? By the time we divide these, we are going to be having a horizontal rectangle and a vertical rectangle. So let's go ahead and name them. The horizontal rectangle is going to be A, while the vertical rectangle is going to be B. Now that we've done that, we are going to pick them singly and solve. Now, let's pick the A. If you want to solve for the A, you're going to have area of A is equals to 10 centimeter times 2 centimeters. So we're going to have 10 centimeter times 2 centimeter. It gives us 20 centimeters square. So that's what we are going to have. Then let's find that of B. Okay, for B, we know that from this point to this point is 2 centimeters. Take a look at this previous question. here to here is 2 centimeters. So we're going to write the 2 centimeter here. Then we know from here to here is going to be 8 centimeter. Okay, from here to here is 8 centimeter. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. That means from here to here is equally 8 centimeters. So area of B will be equals to 8 centimeter times 2 centimeter. That's going to give us 16 centimeter. So now we've gotten the area of A and B. Remember, they are both the unshaded parts, right? What we simply do is to sum up the area of A and B. So area of A is given as 20 centimeter and area of B is equals to 16 centimeter square. By the time we sum it up now, we are going to have 0 plus 6 gives us 6, 2 plus 1 gives us 3. So we are going to have 36 centimeter, the exact answer we got in our previous method, method 1. So this is the second way you can go about solving this question, okay? It's either you use this or you use the second method, whereby you have to bring out the unshaded region, divide it into regular shapes, and then sum it up. Okay, let's take more examples for clarity. So how about solving something like this? How do we go about doing it? You can make use of the first or the second method, okay? But let's make use of the first method now. In the first method, we know that the area of unshaded region plus the area of shaded region is equals to the area of the whole region, okay? So we already knew this from the previous example, okay? Again, let the area of the unshaded region be A and the area of the shaded region be B, okay? And then the area of the whole region be C, okay? Now that we've done this, we've stated this, let's sort out the area of the unshaded region. Now, take a look at the unshaded region. This is the unshaded region, okay? This, we have a rectangle, so it's really easy to solve. Our breadth and length are being given. So area of A will be equals to 8 centimeter times 10 centimeter gives us 80 centimeter square. Remember, we are doing area, so that's why we have the square. Centimeter times centimeter gives us square. So the next thing we are going to do, we have found the area of A. Now let's find the area of the whole region, okay? Now the area of the whole region, which is C, we represented it as C, will be equals to, now this is 10 centimeter and this is 12 centimeter. Area of a rectangle is length times breadth. So we are going to have 10 centimeter times 12 centimeter. We are going to have 10 times 12 gives us 120 centimeter. Then square, okay, centimeter times centimeter. So now we have succeeded in finding the area of the unshaded and the area of the whole region. Finding the area of the shaded region is absolutely easy. Here's what we do. A plus B equals to C. A is 80 centimeters square plus B is the area of the shaded portion which we are looking for, the unknown. So we simply write B equals to, what is C? The value of C is 120 centimeters square. So we are going to have B will be equals to 120 centimeters square. Using the transpose method, this comes to the right hand side minus 80 centimeters square. B is equals to 40 centimeters square. So this is the value of B. We've been able to find our unshaded portion. So this is it. So you can see it's really easy. After this video, you can pick up some exercises and solve and see how well you have understood this class. Let's take the last Let's example. Take a look at this question. In this question, we have a pentagon, okay? A five-sided polygon, okay? If you check it, if you count the number of sides, you're going to see the pentagon. So what method can we use here? We can actually use the two methods, but using the first method here is really going to be stressful because we have a pentagon. We don't have the regular quadrilaterals like we had in the previous class. So what we do, we use the second method. Here's why we are going to use the second method. If you take a look at the shaded region, you're going to observe something. All the sides are equal, so that means it's a square. So it's going to be very easy for us to simply pick out the shaded region and solve. So picking out the shaded region, we are going to have 6 centimeter times 6 centimeter. That's how we find the area of the shaded region. This is because we have a square. And remember, the area for finding a square is length times length. So the area will be equals to 6 centimeter times 6 centimeter, which is equals to 36 centimeter square. Area of the unshaded part is 36 centimeters square. So this is it on finding the area of the shaded portion. If you got value from this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section which method you liked the most, method 1 or 2. Which one do you think was faster in solving this question? Which one do you think is easier? Let me know. Pick up your textbooks, take that online test on this topic and see how well you have understood it. And don't you ever forget, maths can be easy. I'll see you in my next class. Thanks for watching.